CBFI automated 120-ton daily solid tube ice production line. The scheme consists of purified water room, ice machine room, ice filtration and drying room, packaging workshop, and ice cold storage. The purified water room consists of RO water treatment system, quartz sand filter, pure water tank, and raw water tank. CBFI's uniquely designed compressor automatic control technology ensure that the solid tube ice machine operates at optimal conditions and saves energy. CBFI's exclusively designed evaporator sprinkler head and water flow control technology ensure the solidity rate of the soiled tube ice. CBFI's patented technology for solid ice cutting guarantees a smooth and attractive cut on the soiled tube ice. The ice will go through two processes of screening and drying to ensure the quality of the solid tube ice. Multi-layer designed ice conveyor quick freezing room operates stably. The freezing time in the cold storage is long and the ice drying effect is good. An inner liner has been added inside to prevent the formation of condensate. The linear scale is not easy to freeze, and the soiled tube ice are undamaged. After the ice bags are packed, they are transported by forklift to the cold storage for storage.